Today we are going to study about galaxy. What do you think about it?
Sir, a galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter.
It's correct. Student. Do you con? The word is derived from the Greek galaxias, literally Milky, a reference to the Milky Way.
Sir, galaxies range in size from dwarfs, with just a few 100 million stars, to giants with 100 trillion stars, each orbiting its galaxy's center of mass, isn't it?
Yes, my dear. Look at this. Galaxies are categorized according to their visual morphology as elliptical, spiral, or irregular. Many are thought to have supermassive black holes at their centers. The Milky Way's central black hole, known as Sagittarius A*, has a mass 4 million times greater than the Sun. As of March 2016, GNZ11 is the oldest and most distant galaxy observed. It has a co-moving distance of 32 billion light-years from Earth, and is seen as it existed just 400 million years after the Big Bang. In 2021, data from NASA's New Horizons space probe was used to revise the previous estimate to roughly 200 billion galaxies, which followed a 2016 estimate that there were 2 trillion or more galaxies in the observable universe overall, and as many as an estimated 1 times 1024 stars. Most of the galaxies are 1,000 to 100,000 parsecs in diameter and are separated by distances on the order of millions of parsecs. For comparison, the Milky Way has a diameter of at least 30,000 parsecs and is separated from the Andromeda Galaxy, its nearest large neighbor, by 780,000 parsecs. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.